I'm Robert, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about SightCare. Yes guys, so don't skip this video at any cost, okay? And guys, I have only one thing to tell you guys is to be really careful where you're going to buy this product, okay? Because there's only one official website and it's right down below in the description of this video. Now everyone, let me tell you something, okay? Because if you're looking for a 100% natural supplement to support your eyesight, then SightCare will totally help you. Because guys, with SightCare, you can do it in the safest and healthiest way possible, okay? Because SightCare is one of the only eye supporting supplements on the market that actually works, guys, okay? Because it targets the real root cause of all of your vision problems, which has been discovered by some scientists, where scientists discovered that we have some cells that are responsible for repairing our vision, okay? And we are born with these cells, guys, okay? We are born with these cells, and the cells act as free agents, okay? And they repair all the damage already being done to your eyesight. Alright guys, because the problem is that as you age, you start to use the cells a lot. And when you reach your 50s, guys, is when things begin to go downhill, okay? It's when these cells are almost non-existent, okay? Because you've used it your entire life. So you cannot repair any more damage that has been done to your vision anymore. But guys, you should know that with SightCare, this is all going to be on the past, okay? Because SightCare will help you to repair your vision and keep it protected from environmental toxins, and not only that guys, also from future vision problems, okay? Because SightCare will create a protection on your eyes, all right? Because SightCare will regenerate these lying dormant cells that are inside you, and by doing that, you will have perfect vision, okay? 20/20 vision, guys, in the healthiest and safest way possible. And guys, all you have to do is simply take 2 capsules of SightCare every single day in the morning, and that's all you have to do, guys. SightCare will do all the work for you. And guys, you can expect the first few results to appear within just a couple of weeks. But the real impairment results, guys, will come within 3 to 6 months, which is also the recommended treatment by the manufacturer. Okay, so guys, this is a treatment, not a miracle. Keep that in your mind and you will have the best results with SightCare. And guys, you can also be totally safe because SightCare is FDA approved and GMP certified and is manufactured under the most sterile, strict, and precise standards available. And guys, it's also not GMO, not heavy forming, and gluten-free, guys. So guys, SightCare is a 100% natural supplement with only natural ingredients tested for maximum purity and potency to ensure that you will have the best results possible, okay? And guys, all of the ingredients are clinically proven to support your vision, okay? So it's totally safe to you. And guys, you should also know that SightCare covers you with a risk-free 180 days money-back guarantee. So guys, it doesn't matter if you use all of the bottles that you buy of SightCare, guys. In 6 months, you can ask your money back and you will get every single penny of your investment back. So guys, it's completely worth it and totally risk-free, okay? So supporting your vision has never been so easy and affordable. So that's it for today, everybody. That was my review on SightCare, guys. And guys, I seriously hope, guys, from the bottom of my heart that I helped you with this review, okay? Because I can only imagine the struggles that you're going through with your vision problems, guys. And you should know that with SightCare, that will be all in the past, okay? And guys, like I said in the beginning, please make sure to only buy SightCare on the official website, okay guys? Because guys, by buying on the official website, you're 100% sure that you are going to get the official product with all its benefits. You also get the extended 180 days money back guarantee. So guys, it's completely worth it and totally risk-free, okay? And the link is down below in the description of this video, alright? And guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, okay? And if you want more videos like this, guys, please hit subscribe button right below this video, and I'll see you guys on the very next video. Bye bye guys.